can't kill me! Tingnan mo,
Alright,
di mo
wala
ako
ko
patayin.
Ito na lang
Di
avatar
mo ako
mo.
patayin. Ayun ako sa ano.
I am black.
Hi, I'm blue.
Hi, I'm green, the new
You're the
color.
elephant. And pink just drop
And you're
out,
the fruit.
and then purple just drop out, and then today we are.
She's been replaced by green. So let's start now.
Yes,
Start the game.
pink is absent and purple just drop out because she always live at the
leave
GC.
the group.
Yeah, we already. So
We decided to kick her out.
how did that? Guys, can this thing allowed? I'm usually black, but can this thing allowed? Even though I'm the leader,
Where are you?
I'm over here. My avatar had been reset. My avatar had been reset.
Bawal yan! No, that's not good. That's not good.
Cheating.
Bro, my avatar literally reset.
Sheriff!
Innocent.
Murderer.
Eh?
Oy, Albert, wag mo muna ako papatayin kasi meron ako I will change my knife.
I'm just gonna be real.
I will
Okay.
kill everyone.
The game started.
Oh, I hear.
Kuyan. Bro, kuyan.
Hello.
Bro! Pwede
Hello.
lapitan! Pwede patayan!
Hello. I see those two fighting. Just joking. They are not fighting. It's in the game.
Bro! Grab the gun, Black! Grab the gun!
Okay. Even though I'm so small.
Yes!
Where are you, by
Later,
the way?
It's at the kitchen! It's at the kitchen!
No,
I forgot. Oh, yeah. I remember now.
You need to dodge him. You need to dodge him.
hello, I see you.
Jump!
No!
I almost got the gun,
Oh.
bro. Or is that even the fake gun?
That's
Where
the
are
real
you,
gun.
tao?
Why am I lagging? Guys, I'm lagging.
There's someone coming.
I lag too much.
Guys, nasa mga tao?
Mango, it's at the TV. In the secret
I'm
TV, do you know that?
Guys, can be my avatar
Oh.
ninja thingy?
What?
Can my avatar be the ninja thingy?
No.
Okay. Even though I'm the lead, it's okay to
The
me.
small one is cheating.
Well, kinda true.
Hey, get over here.
Yay! Green one! Green one.
Really so good at this game.
Ang laki naman ng knife ko.
English. English.
Alright, so much
It's
time.
so big.
Guys,
Bro.
don't use English.
Why don't you
Speak
keep
English.
talking?
If you don't English, you get kicked. I'm just joking.
Huwag ka maingay. Okay lang.
How dare you?
Huwag ka tumakas.
How dare me?
This.
Guys, I am a froggy.
That's okay. That's okay.
Yeah, it's
You're green,
color.
At least you're green. At least you're green.
Yes, it's true. Oh wait. Never mind. Bro, literally a fanboy. This is the avatar.
Sheriff!
Innocent. Well, one of us are.
But I can see
Why do I always get sheriff?
I don't know. It's on the
because
game.
you're innocent.
I'm not innocent, bro.
Bro, it's on the game. Did you
The
forget?
whole new world.
Don't you dare. You're the
Oy,
murd, right?
papatay.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare. You're the murd. You're the murd.
Wait,
Ah!
Who's the murd?
For that. I think I just see the murd.
Who's
I think I just see the murd.
Who's bird?
If the murd is gonna show up or not. I think that one is the murd. Don't you? Oh,
Oh.
I'm right. Bro, I'm right. Yo, victory already. Thank you, bro.
yeah. Yeah.
System at anything. I don't
Bro,
know what am I
I
gonna
was at
even
the
say.
I was at the
So
third
never
floor. I
mind.
was at the third floor. I was at the third floor.
So you see her what's
I
that
see
called
her
again? Her
knife.
knife.
So she was stopped. Shut up. She stopped. Then I, pew.
Like that.
Yeah.
And I'm still a noob, gonna be
Guys,
honest.
guys, something happened in my keyboard.
Oh, what?
No.
It's
Agree.
okay.
Equip green, cause you're green.
May nakita
I
niyo
am
ito.
equipping green.
May
I
nakita
am equipping green.
Okay, that's
Look,
okay.
my mouse is
Equip.
green and my keyboard green.
Innocent.
Sheriff!
Oh,
Gonna
give me
give
the
you.
gun.
I will gonna
Jake,
give
I'm,
I'm just gonna say
I'm
what to
hiding.
do.
I'm hiding in the box. Behind the box.
Yo,
you can't lie, okay? You can't lie. You can't
Guys,
lie.
go to the hallway, then turn right.
I know that. I know that spot you telling.
well, I wish.
Hello.
Hello. Let's sit.
Alright, where is the, oh my goodness, I hear
Who,
the word, I hear the
who
word.
can who can beat
Bro, I
campers?
see the bird. I see the bird.
Who can beat campers?
Me.
Me
You
too.
really know where is the,
I jump to.
where is,
If I'm in the fourth floor, I jump to the net. I jump to the gun.
no,
Then
no,
I jump.
blue or green, get the gun, get the gun. Guys,
Yeah,
get
it's
the gun,
okay.
I
It's
just
okay.
died.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my
Guys,
god!
get the gun.
I keep
Somebody
joking, the
already got the gun.
murderer.
Somebody already got the gun.
The mer just killed me, get the gun. Oh, you died?
I just lied.
Um,
Oh
Guys,
no, the
guys,
merge
when I
spawned.
die, I flied.
Bro, just kill him with a gun, bro.
walk for me.
Teamers ata sila.
Bro, just kill him. Oh, I almost died there.
You almost died. Did you get the gun?
Oh,
Yo,
bro,
did you get the gun?
no, I
Guys,
didn't
what
got the
power?
gun.
Guys, what power should I use? Ghost or X-ray or race or slide?
It depends on you. Oh wait, we all die.
Yeah. I use ghost.
Me too.
Guys, I'm just gonna tell you. Guys, I'm still. What?
Every round goes X-ray and fake gun. Oh yeah.
How to use the
I
power?
want the fake gun.
Guys, how to use the power? I'm still a noob.
It's okay.
Please, please.
Summer
Guys,
high school when we just
the
met.
cards.
When we were just
I want to be
when
merged.
you had on my 19th birthday, we got
I'm usually getting crazy because I want to get murdered. Even though I hate murdering, but I want to be murdered at this game. And one of us are little just and one of the
It's hot, 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 hot.
And another
life.
I will be your tae.
Murderer.
What?
Sheriff!
Wait.
Why sheriff?
You can use your power.
Guys, is one of us are murdered? Oops, I hear the murd. Yo, I see the sheriff. Bro, you said you're the sheriff, but you are not.
I'm the murderer.
Yeah, I am.
You're not eventually.
Bro, tinatry siya i-barrel, hindi siya murderer.
I don't know why my walk is like this, but Blue just said my
Because
avatar
you're a
should be like this,
zombie!
even though I'm the leader, but it's okay to me. Bro's usually my childhood best friend, but I'm usually older than her. But it's okay. I totally like this one.
Yeah!
Look, don't tell me you're the
Pinatay mo ako.
One of us are literally getting... Yo, shoot me.
Na,
Pinatay
Shoot
mo
me.
ako.
Yo, show me. Yo, show me.
Pinatay mo ako. Pinatay mo ako.
I totally have the gun. Don't you dare. I'm totally trying
Bro,
to...
pinatay mo ako.
I'm totally a noob in this game. So don't blame me if I'm a noob. I just hate this game. But I wanted to play right now. I'm just I think. So 1v1. I thought you... Oh! Ow!
sorry. I just
Nah, that's fine. It's on the game, so it's totally fair. So it's fun to me because it's totally in the game, and you cannot usually the thingies.
That is fair.
everything
Because we
is
are
fair.
all tae.
Yo,
So,
thingies
just
so
please shut up.
English.
Miss nasan
And
kayo?
might be one. Shut
Stop
the
Guys,
yapping.
nasan kayo?
Stop saying
English. I want this
Just
to...
please.
Oh my god, I'm so
Shut
loud.
up.
Why?
Green is actually
What is
my
that
cousin.
outside? Nah, never mind.
Kasi nanuya.
May mga nagbibideo, okay. I mean, there's someone is using
Innocent.
finally.
I'm innocent.
I think bro's murd.
I think,
What do you mean?
I think you're murd.
and I see,
What do you mean?
I see you, bro. I know you're the murd.
Bro, how did you teleported here?
Yeah, bro's following me. Bro's the murd. Whee!
I will be in the air.
Ay!
Guys, I'm in the air.
Bro, just dodge. Bro was close to me.
Same. Bro was targeting the sheriff and not us.
Yes.
Gonna be
Of course, the sheriff is always the first targeting. But me, I don't do.
And sometimes,
Here.
I play this game
Look,
only.
I heard over here. Follow me.
Bro's camping. JK. Bro's not camping.
I'm literally
Oh, no.
hiding from
I see the murd.
air.
I see the murd trying to kill me, murd. Did I just...
I'm hiding right over here.
Bro,
It's about the future. What we are to. Maitibok. Devil sing tattoos. In another life.
what should I take here? Oh no.
Guys, I'm driving a car.
Bro, the
Guys, I'm
murd.
driving a car.
Yeah! We're going to the sheriff! I like the sheriff. That's why I want to be sheriff. And I want to be sheriff.
Bro, that was her cousin. JK.
Guys, ano pangalan nakalagay sa screen ko?
And where is that thing?
It's Blue Sky.
Okay!
Albert Asher. Albert Asher. Albert Asher. For Albert
Guys,
Asher for.
anong pangalan nakalagay sa screen ko?
Bro. You
Guys, don't
already
mind my
know the
screen.
rules.
Bro,
You
I
know-
forgot.
already know the rules about the speaking.
No, look at these two. I think these two are twins. I think those two are twins. Okay, what am I?
Innocent.
Innocent. Yo, stop. You're gonna pop my eardrums.
Shut up, bro. Shut up.
You're gonna pop my eyes.
You're gonna pop my eardrums. That's how it works.
I know
Oh,
bro's
You're gonna
going
pop
to
my
you.
The man just passed by. Did I? Or am I?
Oh no. The merge. The bird! The bird! The bird! The bird! The bird!
Pancho!
The bird!
Hi! Guys, this is me.
Bro's the bird! Green is the bird!
Wait, what?
Bro, I thought you were the bird, bro.
Green, trying to kill me.
Liar. Bro saying liar.
Yeah, oh my goodness. I just get the gun. I just get the gun. And I didn't eventually get.
Ayaw ko na nalata!
Oh!
I don't
Just
want
died.
this anymore.
I died with a split. I died with a split.
I don't want this game anymore.
But you need to agree, bro. This is the
Yay!
game.
I don't like this game anymore.
Oh, I'm so laggy.
Guys,
That's when you get me
I have MM2 challenge.
When I get the gun, when
Guys,
did I get the gun? I started have to a heart attack. Like,
guys,
bro.
guys, I will
What do you mean?
Guys, I will spin the wheel. Whatever we get MM2 challenge, we will do. Okay, I'm spinning the wheel.
Because one of us.
Oh, someone added me friend.
Only hiding!
Someone.
Guys, tago tayo! Hide lang tayo.
Bro,
Let's just hide.
Someone added me as a friend. In
Hide
Roblox.
only.
innocent.
Bird.
Oh, wait, hey, what? Please don't kill me.
Okay, I'll kill you last if you get the gun.
I mean, you can eventually kill me because it's the game.
I'm hiding! You're assassin.
Oh wait, who's that? Who's that? Yo,
Did
Avatar.
you?
Nami girl. Girl, do you see me? Girl. I'm literally at. I see. Bro, try na kill us here. Bro, try to kill this girl and me. And eventually, where are you? Offensive side eye, where are you, bro? And I see green over there at the top. And oh wait, the bro just used ghost. Merd, yo blue, come and try to get me. Nom 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 nom. Blah 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 blah.
Tae.
English, English, English.
Bro, try to get the gun.
Yo, Merd, where are you?
I found you.
What?
Merd, where are you? Merd, where are you?
Why can't I see you?
Where's the Merd? I
Can't I see you?
just using like trick.
Can't I see you, Merd? Oy.
Oi, oi, oi. And oh no, I hear it. I think my nose smell the smell. My nose my
I smell guns in the bedroom.
I sense some guns. My nose just sent some guns over.
I just smelled a gun.
I just smelled
Smelled
the.
a gun.
I knew it is over here.
Bro, you literally.
What do you care? That's how the game works.
Guys, when we are playing Murder Mystery 2 or MMG because I mean it's not a gun.
I
And the last one.
will not speak English unless you don't come.
Where is it?
Where are you? I want to smell the gun.
It's in the second floor.
Oh yeah, that's why it's kinda lit. That's why I kind of not sense it at that time.
You know. Nag-go siya.
I'm not ghosting.
No!
Sorry.
I'm just trying
At
my
least
best
that's
though.
how, at least that's the game's word. Y'all can kill me.
I'm
The
just literally,
birds, you know, like
I'm literally thinking,
Laying on the chest like
I'm
this.
like
literally
the
thinking,
butter of
what
a
if,
perfect in my
if
hand.
we get,
What those people saying? Like my whole bullet. House
bro,
too. That's why the house is small.
what?
That's why it will be hard.
It's a midnight sun, rested on a red laying on chest like this. Only like the bubbles in your hair, yeah. Oy.
Uy, the gun.
This is
The
Mm,
gun.
it.
Give me
Yeah,
the gun.
summer is over,
and
yeah.
then one more
I
thing.
eat the gun. I eat the. I
Now
eat
it's
the
your
gun.
favorite corner, laying on the
Innocent.
Murder! I
I'm never
murder!
sorry,
Oh no, the
sorry.
murderer.
Murder!
The murderer is so. The murderer is black.
I'm the sheriff.
I'm a murderer. I'm
Wow!
a murderer.
naman yan sa'yo.
Where is oh?
Sa iyo.
Bro, where are you?
Aray ko.
Uy, ano to? Ano
Oh
to?
wait, I see
Ako yung
footsteps.
sheriff.
I see
Who's the bird,
footsteps.
bro? Where's the bird?
I'm the murd, bro. I'm the murd.
Wala naman patay
The bird
dyan.
is at your back! Bird, you can do this. Or sheriff. Everybody can do this.
Yes, I know that. And I know that
Except for the random
happen
people.
when you and I were still a kid, you always say that to me.
Hi. Guys, do not get close to the murderer or else I will shoot you.
Oh, I almost died for that. Try not kill me, girl. Oh, I see you do.
I'm lagging.
Did I even kill anyone? I think I didn't even kill anyone.
How?
I literally saw. Hey, I'm just spamming all of my guns, so like I'm literally
Uy, may
I'm
tower sa likod.
that thing almost get my foot.
Stop jumping.
I knew bro was going to. You can do this, guys. You can do this.
Ha?
I'm just fun jumping like the thing.
Bro, it's okay. I won't do that.
I know, my hand is literally getting up.
I'm not literally camping yourself. I'm camping myself.
That was a tough one. For me, that was a tough one. I didn't even kill anyone. Like, I'm just spam jumping and spamming all the knives. Like, you know how noob works?
House two, house two. Then we go to meal base.
You almost popped my Abrams, but
I'm popping your ears.
and that
Ito
popped
ay sheriff na naman.
Inos.
and gosh!
Lumipad sa area.
Explode that. Oh no, I think I just see the murd. Yo, I see the murd! Bro, sa rainbow.
Pupunta ako sa loob para
I see the bird, I see the bird, I see the bird, I see the bird.
I see the murd, I see the murd!
I see the tae, I see the tae.
And I hear the murd, and I don't know the murd.
Muntik lang. I almost got killed by the tae. By the poop.
Bro,
I thought he was ghosting.
why wouldn't you shut up?
You shut up.
The bird.
You shut up and die yourself.
The bird was.
Ah,
What's the gun?
bro,
Puputok ka.
bro,
What's the gun?
Naputok.
guys, If one of us are sheriff, the Merd is the rainbow girl.
She's the Rainbow Dash.
Who's sheriff?
I don't know.
You
Maybe
said it
it's
was
inside AFK.
Wait, what?
Maybe it's inside AFK.
So the Merd need to die that one, and then
Bruh!
the Merd need.
Guys, let's hide.
And then yeah, then blah blah blah, and that's all.
Where's the
Guys,
gun,
just
bro? I
hide.
see the gun. I saw the gun.
Oh wait, how that even nag?
Bro's coming to you, bro. Bro's gonna attack
How did
you.
I even get in here, or is it just a glitch? I mean, it's a glitch.
Balunya suapyanyo yo. Balunya suapyanyo.
I knew it, bros. Remember that.
I hate you, super fat. You're super ugly.
So wait, what? Super
Super idol is saying no ibang team.
I hope I
Nothing
get
left
the sheriff.
to burst.
I love being sheriff.
And
I love being tae.
I love being a sheriff. I like sheriff because it reminds me of
Workplace, workplace.
By mistake.
Oh,
Hoy, may nagbe-bang sa akin.
bro, sheriff.
Bro,
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 bro.
Bro.
Good there,
bro.
bro, bro.
Can you
Oh,
please
there's
just
more
shut
guns.
up?
Bro,
I am a froggy.
sheriff.
Sheriff.
Wait,
I
what?
am a froggy.
Bro, I'm literally the sheriff.
I am the
JK.
froggy.
I'm the bird.
In the Merd. It's really a tough
I'm a...
question. Ah!
I love being sheriff.
Live na ako. I hate this game.
I know. Ow!
Lilib na ako.
No, don't let. Later we're gonna introduce for our bye 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 goodbye. That's a good one though. You might just see the frog. I just see the froggy.
I
Nobody.
just the tae.
Yo,
Uy, ako
it's really poop.
I say
Guys.
sheriff, bro.
Guys, mute ako muna. Pero sa video. Ano next game?
Bro, English.
What's the next game? Uy,
Bro, I got flinged.
Guys, I'm gonna
flying.
end the video.
what's the next game?
Bye guys, and remember
Bye.
this is day 4. Bye guys.
Finally, we can talk Tagalog.